Seahorse or seahorse, scientific name hippocampus. It is a fish of the sea bream family. It has more than 30 species that live in tropical and shallow medium waters. Many of them are considered endangered. Its name comes from the Greek words hippo, meaning horse, and kambos, meaning sea monster. It was named so because of its great resemblance to a horse. Each seahorse has a strange member at the top of its head that takes the form of a crown, so that the latter is an imprint similar to the fingerprint and ears in humans, as each seahorse has a unique crown that distinguishes it from the rest of the horses. Although the seahorse is considered a fish, it does not have scales like it. Rather, its body is covered by a thick layer of skin that extends along the bony rings. The shape and number of the latter vary from one species to another. In contrast to all animals belonging to the family of stingers, the seahorse is the only animal that swims vertically, which gives it an elegant and attractive appearance while swimming. However, this elegance often causes him many problems, and may be the cause of his death in many cases. Its vertical swimming makes it relatively slow, leaving it easy prey. In order to protect itself, the seahorse prefers to rest in sheltered places, using its tail to stabilize itself and tie it with seaweed or coral reefs. Wherever danger appears, he will then be able to easily hide in the midst of it. His eyes also have a strange characteristic similar to a chameleon, as each one moves independently of the other, which gives him a panoramic view that helps him escape from enemies in time. Seahorses feed on crustaceans and plankton. It uses a hose consisting of jaws devoid of teeth, which absorbs food from a distance of up to 3 centimeters. The seahorse is divided into male and female, as is the case with most living creatures, but they do not differ much, either in shape or size. Its colors vary according to its surroundings. The seahorse has more than 200 different colors. It usually changes its color on special occasions, such as the night of life. We now reach the stage of mating and reproduction, and this stage is characterized by strange characteristics of the male seahorse that made him a unique animal, and women may wish that the same applies to humans as well. The seahorse is monogamous and remains faithful to its mate all its life. It is also the only being on Earth that suffers the ravages of pregnancy and childbirth instead of the female. The latter releases about 1,500 eggs into a bag under the abdomen of a male seahorse, and for small-sized species, the female releases from 50 to 150 eggs. Then he is responsible for fertilizing and incubating those eggs until they hatch inside and are thrown into the water, after a gestation period of up to 4 weeks. The length of a newborn seahorse does not exceed 16 millimeters, depending on its species, while the length of an adult may reach 36 centimeters. Its lifespan ranges from 2 to 4 years. At the conclusion of the article, we leave you with some quick information about the seahorse. Seahorses prefer to swim in pairs with their tails tied together. Seahorses swim upright and avoid predators by mimicking the color of underwater plants. With the exception of crabs, there are few marine predators that eat seahorses, as their bony nature causes severe indigestion. A seahorse navigates using a small flipper on its back that flaps at up to 35 times per second. For guidance, seahorses use small pectoral fins located near the back of their head. Because of its vertical body shape, seahorses are bad swimmers and can easily get tired and drown in the depths of the sea. Seahorses have neither teeth nor stomachs, which makes food pass quickly through their digestive system. So he had to eat constantly and permanently to stay alive. A seahorse can consume more than 3,000 units of brine shrimp per day. Since conception is a process associated with the male seahorse, the females are freed to produce more eggs immediately, thus the seahorses faster reproduce. Seahorses participate in an 8-hour courtship dance that includes spinning around the female, swimming along with changing colors. We meet soon with another article and a new animal. Here we are, my friends. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's been a while since we've seen each other and I'm excited to share this new content with you. So hit the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.